Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up gift cards on Shopify step by step. So gift cards are a useful option because they give customers another way to shop from your store or send something to someone else. The setup is very simple, so let's get started. So first, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the menu on the left side, click products. Then select gift cards. So this will take you to the section where you can create and manage gift cards for your store. Next, click Create Gift Card in the top right corner. From here, you can start entering the details for the gift card, and first add the gift card code that the customer will use when redeeming it. You can also enter your own code or use the option to generate one automatically. After that, set the initial value of the gift card. So this determines how much the gift card will be worth when it is issued. Choose the amount that works best for the gift card you are creating. You can also choose whether you want the gift card to have an expiration date. So Shopify gift cards do not expire by default, so you can leave this option as it is. However, if you want the gift card to be available only for a certain period, you can set an expiration date here. Once all the details are correct, you can finish creating the gift card, and that is it. Your Shopify gift card is now set up and is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.